We gotta keep going on and on. Don't care what niggas on. Told the hoe don't hit my phone. She gotta leave me alone. All I've been thinking about is ring. If I want it, then I'm copping now. Yeah, we gotta go on and on. On and on, on and on, on and on. We gotta go on and on. Yeah, I know it's a bigger road, but we gotta go on and on. Yeah. On and on, yeah, we gotta go on and on. Don't care what niggas on, ain't the bros and leave me alone.
No time for another one. This 214 Glocks, lonely, you feel me? Ready to see what's up, man. Ready like this at 25. You know, we on one. Let's get it going. Baltimore week, man. Doing all Baltimore, man. All Baltimore this week. See, I ain't gonna do Baltimore all the time. I'll switch it up sometimes, you feel me? Alright, let's get it. I mean, I'm trying to bust these down on the weekend.
Live front of feds, yo, talking shit, Judy. Free the real, yo. We doing this shit in the trenches.
I got a scratch in the cut.
This beat hard as hell, I ain't gonna care. Ooh.
I be leave that rolling cell, the only thing that ease my mind. We be steady betting, if I got a plea, I'm calling Jai. See, we be right there in 10, when my driving me to 5. Don't hit me at the 9, and you ain't caught with more than. Cause bro just hit my phone, and you just see he needed 50. Ain't talking about no booze, I'm in that hole trying to get rich. I'm from up off a rule, too much trees, I know they out to get me, so I stay with 10 million. This button only when I shoot it, this bitch quick. No, you can't run, no, you can trick, that's the ending.
Yeah, another one though, every time we react to he get it go harder and harder every single time.
And every time we catch a hop, don't bad, we make him feel it. Them bullets permanently caught them for like this, now he crippled. Indeed, he ain't look slick, I left with shit, that's 90-20. Can't post up out the bricks or down the north, cause we gon' spend it.
Yo, this beat so hard, man, bro. See, he got it with this, bro. The beats he be picking always be crazy.
He opened up them doors and he couldn't even find his ride. So me and Brody jumped from out the strike on his line. He took 2 steps and if he teach you more than shorty fried. Just walked him towards death, he cut on run, guess that's his pride. The fed is of the gooch, I break away and then got tired. So you know that's where he going, he got a bed right next to Pop. Be right there in 10, put the driver me at 5. Don't hit me at the 9 if you ain't caught with more than Jimmy ass.
Ain't crazy, bro. The beat hard, he went crazy on he walked that,
Young is doing this shit, so we really wild, yo. That's what they call it out here, man. Trees.
He went crazy. No one got to tell me, bro. He went crazy on that. The beat was hard. He went crazy on it, man. I tell him, man. Tap that more coming soon.
Yeah, I got big round here. You did.